A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain a problem in insulator. A three-phase overhead transmission line is being supported by three-disc insulator. The potentials across top unit and middle unit are 9 kV and 11 kV respectively. Calculate the ratio of capacitance between pin and earth to the self-capacitance of each unit, the line voltage and string efficiency. See in this diagram, these are the capacitance of insulators. C is the self-capacitance and Kc is the capacitance between pin and earth. The question number 1 is ratio of capacitance between pin and earth to self-capacitance of each unit. So this is the insulator unit 1, this is the insulator unit 2 and insulator unit 3. Across the capacitance, first voltage is V1, second V2 and third one is V3. First question, the ratio of capacitance between pin to earth and ground. So K is the ratio of capacitance between capacitance pin and earth to which capacitance, that is self-capacitance. Self-capacitance. Capacitance between pin and earth is given Kc, self-capacitance is C. So this is the equation. Okay, how to find out this K? You have to take the node A, apply KCL on node A. What is the equation? Incoming current that is equal to outgoing current. Incoming current is I2, outgoing current is I1 and small I1. At node A, apply KCL. So capital I2 equal to small I1 plus I1. How to find out the relation between voltage and current in a capacitor? What is the voltage across the capacitor? I into Xc. What is Xc? 1 by omega C. From this, what is I? Omega C into V. Now I am going to substitute the value here. What is I2? See, this is I2. I2 is the capacitance is C. I1 the capacitance is C and small I1 the capacitance is C. Now I have to substitute the value here. I2 equal to omega C into V2. I1 is omega C into V1. K into omega C into V1 plus I1. Capital I1 is omega C into V1. Now omega C into V2, here take omega C outside, omega C inside, V1 you have to write it first, K into V1. Omega C and omega C get cancelled. From this, I am going to find out the K value. So V2 minus V1 divided by V1, that is equal to K. So two voltages are given. The first voltage V1 is 9 kV and V2 equal to 11 kV. Both are given. Have to substitute the value here. 11 minus 9 divided by 9 equal to 2 by 9, that is 0.22, that is the K value. What is the second question? Second question is find the line voltage. To find out the line voltage, I am going to take the node B. Node B, have to apply the KCL. So what is the incoming current? I3. Outgoing currents are small I2 and capital I2. Okay. Incoming currents I3, voltage is V3. For capital I2, the voltage is V2. For small I2, the voltage is, that is here from pin to ground. What about the voltage? V1 plus V2. Both the voltages are involved for this current I2. So small I2 is V1 plus V2. Okay, how to write this? I am going to write the equation capital I3. So here, with respect to a node B, apply KCL. I3 equal to capital I2 plus small I2. So what is I3? I3 is V3 into C omega. I2 is V2 into C omega. Small I2 is V1 plus V2 into K into C omega. All are cancelled. So what is V3? V3 equal to V2 plus V2 plus V1 plus V2 into K. And from this, I am going to find out the value V3. So V3 voltage is the unknown voltage. What is V2? 11. What is V1? 9. V2 11. 0.22. So 20 into 0.22. 4. So 20 into 0.22, no? So 4.4. The value is 15.4 kV. That is V3. Here this voltage is from V3 voltage, that is between line to earth we are going to find out. This is a V3 voltage only, but our question is line to line voltage. So first of all, we are going to find out voltage between line to earth. Voltage between line to earth. So what is the voltage? Summation of all the voltages V1, V2 and V3. That is voltage between, see, this is the voltage between line to earth. Line to earth. So summation of all the voltages. Okay, now V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 is 9, V2 is 11. Here this is 15.4 kV. Summation of all the values 35.4. That is the answer, kV. Now I am going to find out the line voltage. So what is the line voltage? Line voltage is √3 into voltage between line to earth. So I have to use the calculator and find out the value 61.35 kV. After getting this, what is the third question? The third question is to find the string efficiency. So what is the formula for string efficiency? That is equal to voltage across the string, voltage across the string into 100, the denominator number of insulators into V3, number of insulator into the last one voltage V3. What is voltage across the string? V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is 35.42, 35.4, yes, 35.4 into 100 into 100. So what is the number of insulator? That is 3. So what is the value V3? 15.42. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, now I am going to find out the answer. 35.4 divided by 3 divided by 15.42. So what is the answer? The answer is 0.7652 into 100. So what is the answer? 76.52 percentage is the string efficiency. That's all. Have a nice day.